Crypto Exchange again. Today we're going to be talking about something very unique and spectacular that could make you earn a very lovely phone like Tecno Spark 90. Okay, you heard me correctly. And this phone is currently sold on Jumia at 100 and let's just say 107,000. That is 107,000 naira. As you can see on this place right now, this phone is 107. By the time you do all the conversion and everything, it's 107k. Okay, imagine you getting the opportunity to earn this phone for free. And what do you need to do? It's very simple. What are the things that you need to get this opportunity? And there are also other benefits, but this is one of the things that basically caught my attention. This phone, basically. Now, the other offers there, you earning a voucher that is recharge card of as high as 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira, 1,000 naira, even to the list of around 500 naira, guys. Yes, you heard me correctly. Don't worry. I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be teaching you. What do you need basically? All you need to do is just download. You need an internet connection, you need a smartphone, and you need to download a very popular known application for you to be able to get started into the journey. And what do you need to do after doing all those three things I just said? You just need to shake your phone. They call it shake and win, basically. That's the basic way for you to earn this fantabulous top prize phone right here, which is Tecno Spark 90, guys. So for you to know more, basically, let's just continue this video. As we watch the video, please make sure you watch the video to the end to understand how to get started and how to make use of these three things. You need to have an internet connection, a smartphone, and you need to get the popular application. You need to get started on this journey. So watch this video to the end. Remember, if you're coming to my YouTube channel, I remain Crypto Exchange, right? Please remember to join our WhatsApp group and join our follow us on our Telegram as well. We basically teach you how to make money online, or either using crypto, cash, and basically generally we just talk about making money on the internet space, and we give you basic knowledge on things you need to know as a person. So that being said, not to waste time, let's just go into the video. As you watch the video done by a friend of mine, you watch it till the end to understand how to get started, guys. So I remain Crypto Exchange. See you at the end of the video.
The link, it will take you to a Play Store here. Download the Primary, click on open. Alright, so you just wait for it to load up. So when it's done loading, you click on allow, click on continue, click on continue. Set as default, you skip it. Alright, so it will bring up this page. You will see this hand here. Do you see this hand? Just click on that particular hand. Alright, so you wait for it to open. So when it's done opening, click on continue. Alright, so you click on tap here to shake, just tap it. Alright, then you shake your phone. Alright, so you click on save your progress. So you just put your name, your password, and you confirm. Alright, all my information will be filled up. So you click on create account. So you click on send SMS. They will send you a code to your SIM card. So you need to confirm this. I'm not a robot. Just confirm the captcha. Alright, so an SMS will be, a code will be sent. So let's wait for the code. It has already been sent, so I'll feed it up. So wait for it to verify the code. So it's already done. So you click on earn more shake. Okay, you click on this sign to connect your account. Okay, you can go back. So click on go to price. So click on earn more shake. So you can either refer a friend and get 1 shake per referral. So every 4 hours you come back to shake. If you can be able to complete any puzzle, alright, you get the reward. Okay, if you can be able to complete any puzzle, like for this, if you can complete all those puzzle, you get all the pieces, you get the 1,000 naira airtime. Same goes to cash. If you complete all the 1 2 3 4 5 6 puzzle here, you get the cash, you get paid. Alright, so take it seriously.
So just as you've watched, it's as simple as that. So for you to be able to complete this, you must get through all these skills. For you to win this Tecno Spark 90, you must shake on each of these puzzles till it completes 6. The same thing applies to every other gift items right here. You could see them, and as it has been stated in that video, you can basically come back or check back every 4 hours for you to get one shake. And if you can refer a friend telling them how this thing works, basically for every friend you refer, you get one shake. So if you refer 100 persons, you have 100 shake. It's as simple as this, guys. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and give us a comment. And please remember to join us on Telegram and also on WhatsApp as well. See you guys in my next video. Love you all. We teach you how to make money online non-stop. Bye bye, guys, and have a lovely day.